Good morning, guys. Today we are going to discussing about SAP model company. So this is one of the most important module for all the consultant guys, or technical consultant, or functional consultant. So and yeah, okay. Now I am going to open PPT here. So in this session, we are going to discussing about SAP model company. Before going that, I'm going to give the brief introduction for me. My name is Sai Kumar. As a SAP technical consultant having 5 years of experience in implementation and S4 HANA migration and cloud application and supporting projects, I have very good experience in ABAP on HANA and object-oriented ABAP, UI5 and Fury, in cloud applications, SAP Ariba, and S4 SAP R3 modules like material management and sales and distributions, being able to work for different companies like top MNCs. Anyway, let's get started our scenario. So this is our SAP model company. This is the 3 weeks of course. In the first week, we are going to discussing the fundamentals of SAP model company. The second week, we are going to discussing about deploying SAP model company. In the third week, we are going to discussing about leveraging SAP model company in your project. So this is the one of the most important for the technical consultants. Then you can easily identify the what is going in the functional specification and all those things. So you can easily implement the fun. So now next I'm going to show you the sub concept in the week one, the fundamentals of SAP model company. In the first unit, we are going to discussing about what is the SAP model company overview. In the second unit, we are going to discussing about identifying and selecting your SAP model company approach. In the third unit, we are going to discussing about under the hoods like SAP model company architect. So in the fourth unit, we are going to discussing about getting started with SAP model company. So in the second week, we are going to discussing about deploying SAP model company. In the first unit, we are going to discussing about how to deploying SAP model company. In the second unit, we are going to discussing about SAP model company deliverables from the process nodes to the test scripts. No worry, I'm going to show you how to write the test scripts and all those things. So how to identify the test scripts, and I will provide some documentation regarding that and some PPTs. You can easily identify the functional specification and business scenarios and business flow. In the unit 3, going discussing about the SAP model company services in actions. The fourth unit, we are going to discussing about SAP model company public cloud solutions. In the week 3, we are going to discussing about SAP model companies in your project. In the first unit, we are going to discussing how to best leverage SAP model company in your project. In the second unit, we are going to discussing about implementation scenarios from the reference system to the production. In the third unit, we are going to discussing about SAP model company for the multinational corporations. The SAP maintain this different structure. They are maintain some standards. So I'm going to show you in the next couple of sessions multinational corporation standards. In the fourth unit, we are going to discussing about SAP model company and SAP partners from the qualifications and solutions. Okay. So anyone to contribute these video, please scan and pay. Who is going to pay will send entire documentation, including coding also. So live explanation and related doubts through Skype ID. My contact. So more updates, please subscribe our channel. Do you have any real-time requirement? Please send to me my email ID saiyudgroup01@gmail.com. So I will give online training also with real-time business scenario and some coding. The duration like 3 weeks. The fees was 909. So the week batch Saturday and Sundays. At the timing was 6 a.m. to the 6 p.m. The weekdays batch like 6 p.m. So we'll give the documentation and online server at the limited time. Now finally, one of the most important point, how to make an experienced resume with real-time. Yeah, thank you guys. More updates, please subscribe our channel.